Here, maybe we could do an update video. The room, it was an absolute disaster, right? You just sit there, play games all day, every day, and then your room turns into a disaster. We're here for, geez, I don't even know, 12 hours cleaning. We got a bed again. Everything here was on the bed. Well, it was on the bed. We're organizing it, but there's more games over here because we have to sell video games, right? We have to sell these games to, we're over here, but we buried them. So we're selling games too. We have to make room. We have to get rid of all the games. The basement too. We cleaned up the basement quite a bit. The bed's not clean again. And then going outside the room, it's basically exactly the same, right? We still have the Mario Wii boxes. We still have the original Xbox in the box. We still have the other Wii Mario console. We're keeping those. Nobody's taking those. And all the cards. Yeah, we really wanted to get to the cards, but we don't have space. Oh, here, yes, we did. This was all blocked in. We didn't have any room to walk by here. There was no room to walk over here. Now there's kind of room. We moved this over here. And we just threw random games over here. Random things. And then over here, those are a whole bunch of games we still have to sort through. These are all empty game cases that we kept. These, we're trying to get rid of these. We're trying to sell like 450 video games. We're trying to clear some space. So this takes up a whole lot of space, right? These big boxes. So 150 video games in each box. It's gonna be 300 video games for $200 because I don't want them anymore. So it's pretty much like 50 cents each. There's not too many sports in there. It's mostly PlayStation, Xbox, some DS games. Yes, hopefully somebody buys all those and then they're all gone. Yeah, because that's what it should look like. That's what it's gonna look like when all the games are gonna go and we're gonna have all this space back. Then we get to the other games, sort some more games. Then we get to the cards again. I'll get to all the Magic cards. We sold a whole bunch of Magic cards. We sold a whole bunch of Magic the Gathering cards. We have been selling video games, but we had so many of them. Still a whole bunch of them. Now the boxes are over there, so now there's not as much space to walk here anymore. Until somebody takes them, maybe. And we also had this box of games, this box of Wii games. There's 50 Wii games, 50 different Wii games for $40. Hopefully this box goes. That'll be more space again. And then the games that were buried in my room, those ones are for sale too. We're selling like 60 video games for $50. There's not really any sports in these lots. We got rid of all the sports. So it's like 60 PlayStation 2 games for $40. And then this one too, even more space that we hopefully will get back. Got a whole bunch of Xbox games, Xbox 360, a whole bunch of Tom Clancy games, a whole bunch of other games, Max Payne, Brute Force. 60 games for $50. And then there we go, everything's ready down here. These are hopefully going to create more space. Hopefully get some money back. We'll get I don't know, $200, $300, something like $300 for, what is it, 450 games? Something like that. Oh, now we have space down here again, kind of. All these games we have to go through. What do we do with the other games? I don't know. All the cards we have to go through. We have to sell Magic cards. We have to sell Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon. I have to go through all these things, figure out what we got. We have to sort everything back to the real world again.